Hello everyone. Today we will look into three useful functions of Excel. In situations where you need to extract only part of a cell's content, you can use the simple functions of left, right, and middle. Let's look at the first example. So these are some serial numbers and you only want the first six alphabets and you don't want these numbers behind them. So for this purpose, we are going to use the function left. So is the first thing would be you will put in this equal sign, which indicates that you are using a function. So I'm going to put in left and open parenthesis, and I'm going to select the cell which is A1 in this case, and I'm going to put in a comma, and how many characters I want. So in this case I want the first six, so I'm going to put 6 here, and I'm going to close the parenthesis and just simply press enter. Here it is. Now I have extracted only what I needed, and simply here I can just drag this with the fill handle, and I have this. Now let's look at the second example. Now in this example, I don't really need the first 00 dash triple one because that is common. I only want the last four digits. So here you can use right. So just like before, you press equal sign, open parenthesis, okay, sorry, not open parenthesis, right, now open parenthesis. So it's A9. You can write A9 or you can simply click it. That is much easier than that. And how many characters you want? You want the last four characters. So I'm going to do that. It's very simple. So when you have a certain pattern of data, you can do that. Now let's look at the last example where you want the middle number. So here in this case, I don't want the first ID number dot. I only, and also not the last three alphabets JKL. So I only need this 2001. So how am I going to extract that? For this, Excel has a function mid. Now open parenthesis, so this is your A17. Now it's asking me what's the start number, so of the character, like from where you want to start your extraction. So if I look at this, if I count them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, you need to count the spaces between them because that is also a character. Excel recognizes it as a character. So the 8th digit, after that it's asking me for the number of characters. I only need 4, so I'm going to press 4, and here it is, and use the fill handle, simply drag this, and you have all these did here. Even it's 4, so the U is also here. So it actually, obviously the formula was like that. So I hope you liked this, and if you did, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon.